How to use DeepSeek API Key for free. So in this video, we will discuss how you can obtain a free API key from DeepSeek. So in order to do that, I have in here this help article from DeepSeek, which is on the URL api-docs.deepseek.com. From this help article, you can see in here the link for the application for the API key, so just head over and click on that. If you want, you can also head over to their platform, which is platform.deepseek.com, which is where that link will lead to. Make sure that you're already signed in or signed up. And in this case, just head over to the API keys option and click onto this create new API key. Name your API key right here. I'll name this tutorial, and after that, click onto this create API key. I'll head over and click on this. Now, once it's appeared, make sure that you've already copied it. I have in here my API key, so I can head over and copy it and use it on other API that I want or need to use it for. So that's how you use DeepSeek API Key for free. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.